Hello, everyone!
Hi, welcome back.
Welcome back to our English practice channel, VocanTunes.
Yes, today we have a very useful topic.
Very, very useful.
We will talk about your job.
Yes, talking about your job in English.
Work, office, daily life.
Simple English, easy conversation.
So you can speak with confidence.
Even if you are a beginner.
Before we start,
Make sure you like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It helps you learn English every day.
Yes, every day, little by little.
Okay, Alice, let me ask you a question.
I'm ready.
What do you do?
Good question.
Very common question in English.
Yes, what do you do?
It means, what is your job?
Okay, I will answer. I am a teacher.
Nice.
I teach English.
Simple. Clear.
Yes, I say, I am a teacher. I teach English.
Very good. Now,
I will answer. Okay,
I am an office worker.
office worker. Nice.
I work in an office.
Of course, office worker in an office. Very logical.
Yes, very logical English. Now you try.
Yes, listen and repeat.
What do you do? Again.
What do you do?
Now your answer.
Say, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a student.
Good. Very good.
Now, another question.
Very common question.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
I will answer first. I work at a school. Good. I work at a school.
Simple sentence.
Yes. Easy English.
My turn.
I work in a company.
Nice.
I work in a company.
Good job.
Thank you. I try my best.
Let's repeat.
Where do you work?
Again,
Where do you work?
now answer.
I work at.
I work at a hospital. I work at a shop. I work at home.
Very useful.
Now let's talk about your daily work.
Yes. What do you do at work?
Good question.
I will answer. I teach students.
Okay.
I prepare lessons.
Good.
I talk to students.
Very clear.
Simple sentences.
Yes. Very important for beginners.
Now you, David.
Okay. I answer emails.
Emails. Okay.
I use a computer.
Of course. Office worker.
Yes. Computer is my best friend.
Or your boss.
Maybe both.
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
I answer emails.
Again.
I answer emails.
I talk to customers.
I use a computer.
I help people.
Very good.
Now, important question.
Very important.
Do you like your job?
Good question.
I will answer. Yes, I like my job.
Why?
Because I like teaching.
Nice.
I like helping students.
Very kind.
Now you, David. Be honest.
Okay.
Yes, I like my job.
Good answer.
Because it is easy. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Now you.
Answer this question.
Do you like your job? Yes or no?
Yes, I like my job.
No, I don't like my job.
Simple.
Now, let's talk about time.
Work time.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 a.m.
Good.
I finish work at 4 p.m.
Nice.
What about you?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Okay.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Very standard.
Yes, normal office life.
Repeat. I start work at. I finish work at. Very useful sentences.
Now, let's do a full conversation.
Yes. Listen carefully.
Hi,
Hi.
what do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am an office worker.
Where do you work?
I work in a company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Why?
Because it is interesting.
Nice. Let's repeat slowly.
Very slowly.
What do you do? I am a. Where do you work? I work at. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job.
Great job today.
Yes, you did very well.
Now, you can talk about your job in English.
Simple, clear, confident.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Yes, no excuses.
Now, tell us in the comments.
What is your job?
Or what job do you want?
We want to read your answers.
And practice with you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.